Hey cutie, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning this challenge by Rachel, Booty, on Instagram, and I'm scared. But gotta live, gotta learn. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is your moment, and then learn it with me. I've never done this challenge. I don't really know this song really well, but together we can figure it out. Let's go. Okay, she starts off with sort of like, oh, I don't think my body moves like that. Well, the first thing that I see that comes to mind is the fact that she is very low. Her legs are quite close together. They're just a little bit further than hip distance apart, but yeah, they're quite close together, and she squats down low. The quads are gonna feel this, but it's fine. It's fine. We can do it. She starts off with kind of like a dolphin dive. So it's like a boom. She kind of like scoops it down. Boom, boom. And then I think it goes boom, 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 boom. Do we go down? I don't know. Why is it so hard? We have dive, boom, up, down, up, I guess. Boom, boom. Oh, so it's a down. Yeah, so 5 times. You go dolphin, boom, 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 boom. Okay, I think we've got it so far. Let's do it with the music. Let's see how we go. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, so 5 times. Doom, boom, 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 boom. Why am I saying 5? It's 6. So it's 6 times. Up, down, up, down. Ah! And then she does something off this planet, like unreal. It is a whine, but she isolates her butt cheeks one by one while she does a whine. My booty, I can tell you that now, is not gonna do that. I don't think she's gonna do that, but we can try. She comes up with left, and then she finishes it. Boom. Yeah. Down, up, down. Does that make sense? Half, and you do 1.5. Sorry, it's not 2. 1.5. This is 1.5. Down, up, down. Can we do that? Let's try it from the beginning. So we had dolphin dive, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom, bum, bum. But that goes fast. Let's try it with the music. Then she does 3 whines, and again, these are nice and cute on her bum, because again, they go boom, boom, up, boom, boom, up, boom, boom. Like left, right, left, right cheek. Don't be worried if you can't do that, because that's years and years of practice. Way to discourage you. You're welcome. So you're here, you go boom, 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 and then I think she does up. She does 3 ups. So it goes round, 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 up, up, up. There must be an accent in the music there. So let's go over what we had. So far, we go dive down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We go around, boom, down, up, down. Up, up, up. I'm so confused. We're almost there. I'm lying, but we are almost there. You know what the thing is as well? This whole challenge is just whines and bounces up, down, and up, down. But it's so complicated. But we've got this. Let's go again from the start. So we had dive down, up, down, up, down, up, down, boom, boom, down, down, boom, 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 boom. So after we have done the 3 arounds, 3 ups, you again have that bida bida boom boom. So you go bida bida boom boom, and then you do again 3 whines, I think. Actually, that's the exact same. How did I How did I not see this? So you do the same thing twice. The bida bada boom 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 bada bada boom 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 boom. I hope that makes sense. I see now what the difference is. We have to do it with music because she says boom, 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 boom. So it's not 3 times up, it's up, down, up, down, up. Oh, finally. So we had the bida bada boom, boom, and round, round, round. And then we do up, down, up. And then bida bada boom, boom, around, around, around. And then we just bounce up. Oh, that's the difference. I'm not crazy. It is 2 different things. I'm so happy. Let's try it with the music. Or let me try it. Up, down, up, down, up. Up, up. I have cracked the code. Let's do it without the music. We can do it. So we start with the dolphin dive. We go boom, boom, up, down, down, up, down. Then we go bida bada boom, boom, around, around, around. Then we go up, down, up, down, up. And then we go bida bada boom, boom, up. And then again we go round, round, round. Then we bounce up. We do boom, boom, boom. And then you hear a piano. You hear ting, ting, and that's 2 bounces up. You hear that 3 times. So you end it after you've done the boom, boom, boom ups. The boom, boom, boom. You do ting, 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 ting. That's supposed to sound like a piano. Let's try it from the start. If this is too fast, you can always pause it. But let's just try it because she's sweaty. We're gonna do it again. There we go. Damn, Rachel, you murdered me, girl. Let me know how that was in the comments. Let me know if you like videos like this where I go over challenges and try to explain them to you while also learning them myself. Hope to see you back next week for another tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe this video because it helps me get seen by other cuties like yourself. And I'll see you soon.